Hey, what's up, guys? Here on a Sunday, gonna do a Sunday break. For the first time, never done one on the weekend before, but decided to go to a local card shop here. Picked up a box of classics. Had pretty good luck with this product in the past. Just wanted to do this for fun, so here we go. It's 18 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. Yes, there we go with the first pack. Base, filler, some of these dress codes. Insert Calderon and Jermaine O'Neal insert. LeBron base. Lenny Wilkins greats, not numbered. Base. This is going to be a hit. Andre Iguodala, Nowitzki, combo with Duncan, base. And the hit is, let's see what's going to be numbered, 92 out of 99. You see that? And it is Dennis Johnson, just a jersey card. Dennis Johnson, legend jersey. Base, filler, classic combos, Mourning and Hardaway. Base. Filler, there's Kobe and LeBron. The combo card, base. One hit so far out of this box. Base, filler, D Wade, Jermaine O'Neal, not numbered. Isn't that nice? Cool. Classic combos of the Heat there, 4 different players. Base. Base, filler, Walt Chamberlain, numbered to 999, legend card, base. Base, filler, dress code, Patrick Ewing, not numbered, base. I guess all the hits are in the middle to back of the box. Yep, still no autos here. Filler, dress code, Carlos Boozer, not numbered. Base. Okay. Saving the best for last, as I like to say. Yep. Base again. Filler. Classic combos, Dirk and Sean Marion, not numbered. Base. This will be a hit here. Dana Barrow's legend is out of 999. Base, and we'll go from the back here. See what it's numbered out of. Probably up top. Out of 199. And we see the dress code, jersey card, Al Horford. And base. 2 jersey cards so far. No autos yet. Hoping for a big time auto. Base, got a filler. Wes Matthews is the rookie Timeless Tributes rookies, 45 out of 50. Can at least, and base. Awesome. Hashim Thabit, numbered to 499 on card auto. Hashim. Guy haunts me, I tell ya. Randy Foy. My boy Randy. Karl Malone, Classic Greats. Base. One more hit. Still in the boxes. This is not going to be it. Doc Rivers, Legends, $9.99. Base and base. Base. Chris Mullen. Pulled an on-card auto of him. This is out of 100. In a couple earlier boxes I've done of this product. That was a pretty good card actually. A couple more packs. Hopefully something will save this box. Not going to be in this pack. Kevin McHale, great. And I'm running out of time here because my battery is dying. Two more packs. Hopefully I can get this in. It's going to be an autograph rookie redemption. Greats. And we'll see the last pack. Hopefully get the redemption. It's number 168. So let's see what we get in there. Lenny Wilkins Legend out of $9.99 base. And 168, hopefully you can get it in, is Brandon Jennings. Actually, that's not an awful one to do. You can't really tell. It's 168 Jennings, yeah. Awful. Doing that, so that's cool. On card auto, Brandon Jennings. So pretty decent rookie there. So thanks a lot for watching, guys.